Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 1 of the Master AI video creation series. My name is John Apia, you can call me Sir Ziggy. And in this series, I'm going to teach you step by step how to create amazing videos using artificial intelligence, that is AI. From short clips to full YouTube videos, animations, interviews, adverts and more. By the end of this course, you'll be able to plan, script, generate, edit, and publish high quality AI videos even if you have never created a video before. So, what exactly is AI video creation? Let me simply put it in this way. It's a process of using artificial intelligence tools to generate videos from prompt, script, images, and audio. There are now powerful AI tools that can turn your ideas into video scenes within seconds. You just describe what you want, the AI creates it for you. Now, there are different types of AI videos you can make. Now, let me break them down for you. Let's start with number 1, text to video. Here, with text to video, you type a description and the AI generates a video clip. So there are tools like Runway, Picalabs, and Veo 3. These are some of the tools that I use for text to video creation. Number 2, talking avatar videos. These are videos where an AI character speaks your script using a generated voice or your own voice. Number 3, AI animation or cartoon video. Now, you can create cartoon episode, stories, and educational animations using AI images or character styles. Number 4, lip sync or face animation videos. This is also another video that you can create using AI. So this turns a photo into a talking avatar. So you just have to get your image and it will turn the image into a video with voice over or voice lip sync. Number 5, which is the last one, that's a mixed AI plus rare footage videos. So with this one, you can combine rare video clips with AI made scenes. So it is good when we want to do a documentary. You can get a rare footage, a rare video, and then mix it with AI generated videos. All these are simple to do, and you learn of them in this training or in this series. Now, let me explain how AI video creation works in the simplest way. Step 1, you imagine the idea. So what story or scene do you want to create? So that is the first stage of your video creation. You need to have an idea. You need to know the kind of content that you want to create. That is the idea. So the idea can be self-generated or AI generated. Then the next thing is you write your prompt or you write your script. So if you have the idea, let's say you want to create a video on, like, let's say an Africa folktale, you need to first of all get the idea that this Africa folktale is about, let's say, three friends who went to rob some a bank in a village, and the robbery turned into bloody and whatever. So that is the idea that you have. So that will be the first thing to come to mind. Then after that, you turn the idea into script. So it will be like writing a book. You have the idea, so you turn the idea to writing. So that will be the script or the prompt. So that's where you are going to tell the AI what you want to generate, the kind of video you want to generate. So you have the idea, then you tell the AI what you want to generate. Then you then generate scenes. So you see, most AI videos, the highest they can go is 10 seconds. Most of them are even 6 and 8 seconds. So imagine you have you want to create a video of, let's say, 1 minute video, and each video, each length of the AI video can be 6 seconds. So that means you need to break the video into scenes so that you can get the right length that you want. So that will be the third stage. You need to generate scenes. So you can use Veo 3 and other tools to create the scenes, video scenes for your content. Then after that, you add your voice. So that will be the third one, the voiceover. So the voiceover, it can be a narration, or it can be a lip sync. That's where the character in the video will be talking. That's what we call lip sync. And in a case whereby there's a voice at the background narrating the scene, that's the voiceover. So you can also use that in your creation. Then after that, the last thing, which is the important thing, is the editing. So that's where you are going to combine the various clips. So the various 8-second clip that you have created. Let's say you have created about 10 different scenes. So with the editing stage, you need to combine them. So that's where you're going to use the CapCut. So CapCut is also a free tool, AI tool that you can use. So it will help you to combine them so easily, even if you don't have any editing skills. This series, I'm going to teach you everything. So you need to take your time and then follow everything. So with editing, you're going to add transitions, you're going to add music, you can add sound effects and others to make your video look real and excellent. So these are the steps that you can follow to make any type of video. So the first one is you need to get the idea. The second one is you turn the idea into a script or a prompt. Then you feed the prompt to the AI tool and it will generate scenes for you. Then after that, you get your voiceover, which the AI tools, which the AI tool that can do that for you. You get your voiceover, or you can even record your own voice. That will be step 4. Then you combine all these resources: the voiceover, the scenes, the transitions and the background sound effect and others. You combine them to make your video. So this course is a project based. So let's do our first project. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Okay, so now the last thing we are going to do is our project. So as I said, this training is a project based training. So every lesson we are going to have our project. So in this project, we are going to create our first video, our first AI video. So I'm going to give you this prompt. I've generated a prompt that I'm going to use for this project. So I will give you the prompt in the description. So we are going to use an AI tool called Grok's AI tool. So let's get to our browser, and in address bar, let's type GROK. That's Grok. Yes, that's the correct word, grok.com. So that is the sites we are going to use for this project. Okay, so after entering the address bar and getting to this stage, you need to first of all create an account. If this is the first time of you getting this site, you need to create an account. So you go to the sign in. So because let me sign out and show you the interface. So if you are using your phone, you are going to see sign in and sign up at the top section there, just like you are seeing the sign in and sign up here. So just click on sign up, and then you sign up with your Gmail. So on your phone, you click on sign up, and then you select sign up with Gmail, and then you sign up and then start use. But basically, I've already signed up, so I'll rather click on sign in and then sign in with or log in with my Gmail account. Okay, so after logging in or after creating an account, this is the interface you are going to see with Grok AI. Okay, so as at this side, we are going to create a video project. So let's go to Imagine. So on this stage, you go to Imagine. When you are using your phone, you are going to see at the top section there, you are going to see Imagine. So you can click on Imagine. Okay, so it will send you to a different screen. So just like the one you are seeing on the screen here, but the phone one will be different. So on the phone, you go to the down section, you're going to see type to imagine. So just like you're seeing here, you're going to click on that section there on the phone. But on the computer here, we are going to create video. So you just come to this section here, click here. So you select the aspect ratio of your video. So we want to be in 3:2, basically for YouTube. So let's click on this, and then we change the image to video because you're going to create a video, and then you just paste your prompt here. So after pasting your prompt here, which the prompt that I'm going to give to you, after pasting the prompt here, you come to this arrow here and just click on it, and in some few seconds you're going to see that your video will be generated. But on your phone, after clicking on it and then getting the images that you want, so with the phone you're going to get the images at first. So after that, just select one of the image that you want to use. Okay, so you can see from the screen here that we have our video generated. So you see that a cinematic slow motion shot of a person standing on the mountain. You can see that. So it is so powerful, it is so real, and basically it also have a sound effect at the background because in the prompt we described a sound effect for it. So you see that. So it's so powerful. And let me go back to your phone. So on the phone, you're going to see, after clicking on the image that you want to animate, you're going to see make video. So make video, just click on, there's a small arrow just beside it. Just click on that small arrow and then select custom. So the moment you select custom, then you come and paste the prompt, the same prompt that you pasted to generate the video, this same prompt. You then paste the same prompt in the in that text box there. Then you click on the arrow moving top, the top arrow. You just click on it. You see that your images will now animate. So that is where you're using your phone. But if you're using your screen, your computer screen, you just follow the steps. You just make sure you change this section here to video. You change the aspect ratio, and then you paste your prompt here. You just click on this arrow, top arrow here, and you are good to go. So that is that. So I want you to try this project. That's all for today's lesson. In our next lesson, I'm now going to teach you how to create your prompt. How to create your prompt. It's so easy, but your prompt needs to be detailed so that it will give you the kind of results that you want. So even with this prompt, I can make some few changes here, and you're going to see that it will give me a different thing altogether. So in the next lesson, I'm going to do that, and you're going to see that AI video creation is so easy, powerful, and fun. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe so that you can get access to the next lesson, and share this video for others to also benefit. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.